Hello, should I analyze charts during market hours or after? I will say both. After the market close, you can do your chart analysis of stocks in your watch list, and you um, flag the stocks that are well positioned for you to buy, and stocks that are in your portfolio already that reach a certain profit that you are willing to sell, you will flag them as well. So when the market opens, while the market is open during the day, during the market hours, you will only analyze the stocks you flag to buy or to sell. You'll analyze them again to see what you saw before, if you still have that confirmation to take the action that you decided to take. And sometimes not all the stocks you flag that you'll end up buying or selling that day. So that is the way I do it. So I like to do this analysis over the weekend, and then I can make red stocks that I'm thinking about buying during the week. So during the week, around lunchtime, that will be halfway through the market hours, I will do chart analysis of those stocks that I put in red to see if I want to to sell it. The other one I highlighted the sell, so that means we already have it, and it could be because I want to buy some more because the stocks drop, or I want to sell because the stock reached all-time highest price. So I will reanalyze it to see if I still want to make that decision, whatever the decision is. And throughout the week, I will only focus on those ones that I color code to to take an action with. That is the way I do it. That way I don't have a lot of stocks to go through while the market is on, but very few. And then during the week, while the market is closed, I can take my time to analyze everything. And again, it has more to do with long upturn and swing trading strategy that we are using. So it is more a relaxed approach. Therefore, that is the approach that I go with. 2024 and 2025, beginning of 2025, or the first half of 2025, when I have a smaller watch list and I analyze them during every day, I will do the chart analysis at the end of the day after the market close, or early in the morning before the market opens, to go through my watch list to see if there is a stocks I want to buy during the day. Not necessarily during the week, but during the day. And then I will flag those stocks. And during the day, around lunchtime, those one are the one that I'm going to review again, do a chart analysis of, to see if what I saw before the market opened, if it's still going that direction for me to take an action. So that so it's pretty much the same thing, doing the chart analysis after the market close for the whole watch list, and then during the market hours to buy or to sell, I like to do chart analysis of those stocks that I'm going to buy or that I'm going to sell. So now let's analyze the stock of the day, March 9, 2026. We are going to analyze ISRG. Okay, so we are on maximum monthly chart here. We are just going to start from there. We have three value lines that we trace here, and right now is on this one. So we don't know if it's going to come down here, but we have a narrow there, so that says that we bought it. Oh, sorry. Now let's go to maximum daily chart. Okay, so it's right around this valley line, and we make some purchases there. And why I think this could be a valley line is because it reached all-time highest price more than a year ago. January 2025. We have the date on the x-axis from the past to the present, and the price on the y-axis from $0 up. So beginning of 2025, it reached all-time highest price, and it pulled back to this valley line and start going up from there, but didn't quite make it up there and pull back again. So it seems to me that this could be the valley line, but there is a chance it could come down to this one as well though. But again, now wait too long and miss the entry window. We bought it there. If it turns out to come down here, we might buy it again and be negative in this until it goes all the way up. So well, for the time being, we purchase it there. So is there a time to buy this? My answer is yes, if I'm going to buy it, because I just bought it there. And as you can see, I purchased it somewhere. This is a daily chart. Every single bar is a daily bar, and I purchased it from seeing where this arrow is, February 25, and we are in March 9, and it's still around the same area, and chances that I'm negative in it because last time the market opened, it closed on red. The price at the end of the day was lower than the price in the morning when the markets open, and this bar, corresponding price to this bar, is lower than where I probably purchased it. So chances are I'm negative in it there, but that's fine. It's still around this valley line, so right there. So it's still, in my opinion, if I didn't buy it here, yes, I will be buying it, knowing well that there is two more support line at the bottom that I color to buy at, and there is a chance it'll go to it, because here this one is like 1, 2, 3 years long. It's a short support line, and it could well be supporting the mountain is climbing, and might decided to come down here. The reason why I went for it is because, let's see, the all-time highest price was a year ago. Make me think maybe it's done with it and pull back down and start going up from there, but we'll see. This is a stock in the watch list, and by buying it, I will learn if I enter at the right place or not, and then learn from it. If it comes down here, then I know that this is not the valley line. I'll grade, and I know that this is going to be, because this one is longer, many years longer. So that is how I do my chart analysis. And if this stocks was put in red during the week, for instance, then during my market hours, like for instance, we saw it and it is, where I will buy, I will make it red on my watch list, and then around noontime I will analyze it to see, yes, it's right there at the valley line, I'm going to buy, and then I'll place the order for it in my account, and then I'll come here and then I'll put the arrow right there around the bar of the day that I placed the order. And that's how this arrow came to be here. By doing data chart analysis, I'll put the arrow there on the day that I'm making that purchase. So thank you so much for watching our videos. We thank you very much for your time. Thank you for all your comments, and we thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. I'm Afiavi Liberman, Cross of Liberman Consulting L.L.C. YouTube channel, and nasoap.com, our blog. On our channel and on our blog, we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence where you do not depend on an employer to provide for your family. And swing trading is one way to make money. Just start small and grow your account from there. For more swing trading videos in this series, so please check how to start swing trading step by step using law Uptrend in the description of this video. And we do have other swing trading related playlists in the description of this video as well. Thank you so much for your time. Happy swing trading.